Ever wondered what it takes to be a successful poultry farmer? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the world of poultry farming, sharing the wisdom of those who have cracked the code to success in this complex yet rewarding field. Our first guest is Jack, a seasoned poultry farmer from the heartland of America. Jack, what's the secret to your success? Well, it all comes down to understanding your birds. You've got to know their needs, their behavior, their health. It's not just about feeding them and hoping for the best. It's about being proactive, monitoring their health, and responding to any issues before they become serious. Great insights, Jack. Moving on to our second guest, Mary, a pioneer in organic poultry farming. Mary, what would you say is crucial for success in this field? Consistency is key. Your birds need a consistent environment, consistent feed, and consistent care. Any sudden changes can stress them out and affect their health and productivity. Plus, consumers today appreciate consistency in quality and taste, and that's what organic farming provides. Thank you, Mary. Our third and final guest is Abdul, a poultry farmer who has successfully incorporated technology into his operations. Abdul, what role does technology play in your success? Technology is a game changer. It allows us to monitor the bird's health in real time, automate feed and water systems, and even control the temperature and lighting in the chicken houses. It not only makes our job easier, but also leads to healthier, happier birds. To summarize, the keys to success in poultry farming, as shared by our guest today, include understanding your birds and their needs, maintaining consistency in care and environment, and leveraging technology. It's not just about hard work, but also about smart work. Remember, a successful poultry farmer is one who is proactive, consistent, and tech-savvy. So if you're considering a career in poultry farming or looking to improve your current operations, take these insights to heart. Thank you, Jack, Mary, and Abdul, for sharing your wisdom with us today. And to all those listening, remember that success in poultry farming, like in any field, comes from continuous learning, adaptation, and improvement. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep succeeding.